In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an IKEA credit card payment online in 2026, step by step. To get started, open your web browser and go to the online account portal for your IKEA project credit card issuer. Once the page loads, look for the login button and select it to continue. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can access your account and manage your billing information securely. Next, sign into your account by entering your username or email and your password. If the site asks for any additional security verification, complete that as prompted. This extra step helps protect your account, so it's completely normal. After that, click Sign In to enter your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account, go to the payment area. Depending on the layout of the site, this section may be labeled Make a Payment, Pay Bill, or simply Payments. The wording can vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the section where you can submit a payment toward your card balance. If you haven't added a payment method yet, you'll need to connect your bank account before making a payment. Select Add Bank Account, then enter your bank routing number, your bank account number, and choose the correct account type. After entering the information carefully, save your payment details. It's a good idea to double check these numbers before saving, since even a small typo can delay your payment. Now choose how much you want to pay. Most accounts will give you a few standard options, such as the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. Pick the option that works best for you. If your card includes promotional financing purchases, review your statement closely and make sure payments are made on time to help avoid possible charges after the promotional period ends. After selecting the amount, schedule your payment by choosing the date you want the payment to be made. Review all the payment details carefully, including the bank account, payment amount, and date. Once everything looks correct, click Submit Payment. After submitting, wait for the confirmation message to appear. Be sure to save the confirmation number or confirmation email for your records. It's also smart to check your account again later to confirm that the payment has officially posted. If you want to make the process easier in the future, you can also set up autopay. Go to autopay settings, choose your payment amount, select your bank account, and confirm enrollment. This can help you avoid missed payments and stay on top of your account more consistently. And that's how to make an IKEA credit card payment online.